Pocket hole joinery is a popular choice for many projects. Pocket hole joints are fast and easy to make. They don't require a lot of tools, they create a strong connection, and they can be positioned so that the fastener is hidden. For all of those reasons, it makes them a popular choice for beginning woodworkers, as well as DIYers, and even commercial shops that use pocket holes to assemble face frames and cabinet cases. There are a number of pocket hole jig systems you can use, ranging from basic small jigs to large production equipment, but they all essentially do the same thing. They form the pocket holes. Whatever jig you choose to use, the newly updated Rockler quick release pocket hole clamp is the easiest way to securely clamp your parts together while driving the screws. Most pocket hole joints feature 2 or more pocket holes, and the way this clamp works is it features an insert pin that is inserted into one of the pocket holes. The clamp is then tightened to close the joint, then a pocket hole screw is driven in the other pocket hole. You then release the clamp and repeat the process for the second pocket hole. You may have seen similar looking pocket hole clamps, but this new quick release pocket hole clamp features several innovative improvements that the others don't have. Let's take a closer look. First, instead of only one insert pin, it features 2 interchangeable insert pins. One for the 3/8 inch standard size pocket holes, and one for the smaller micro pocket holes used to join thinner stock. Second, it features a quick release ratcheting clamp knob. This knob can be used overhanging the edge of a workbench or adjusted to lay flat on the work surface. And the quick release button makes switching into the next location a breeze. Finally, this new flat recess on the top of the clamp makes it easy to use a second clamp to apply pressure across the joint seam to help keep the joint aligned. So if you use pocket hole joinery a lot, or you're interested in trying out pocket hole joinery, the new Rockler quick release pocket hole clamp is a great solution.